assaulting Nick.
Woo.
Do I follow you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, the disc. Okay. Very funny.
Go, keep recording.
Barricade, Colin. Barricade. Yeah.
Get him!
You're still doing the three of them. You're shooting freaking nerfs on that, and ow, that one hurt. And stop shooting the damn disc. Those things are
Can I stop recording?
No!
I think one of you should hold this. I have to do some work.
No! You don't.
You have more guns? Oh my god, how many do you guys have?
How